Hello everyone, welcome to Weekend Channel. I'm Tia.
I'm Cindy. Nowadays, the gearbox housings play a critical role.
This requires extremely high precision, especially for this prediction tolerance between the circuit holes, which must be within ±0.02 millimeters. Even a slight deviation can cause the assembly failures or total part rejection, causing a major economic loss. Traditionally, the measurements are taken after machining, often missing the best correction time. So, is it possible to catch program errors, like viewing the processing machine itself?
The answer is CNC on-machine inspection. Our engineers will mark the critical dimensional locations and generate an in-machine inspection test accordingly. After each key process is completed, the probe can immediately check the flatness of the A surface, the roundness of the part, and the relative position relationship between the fine hole and the outer surface to ensuring the accuracy of the next process. Through CNC in-machine inspection, the entire process does not require disassembly of the workpiece, avoiding deviations caused by secondary clamping.
At the same time, the processing data is uploaded in real time and the detection results are linked with the processing results. Once a deviation is found, the system can also automatically perform the processing compensation by recording all test data. It can meet the quality traceability needs of high-end customers, so the product quality can be traced. This processing method does not interrupt the production, can truly realize the intelligent closed-loop control of the testing integrated into production. So based on above, the CNC on-machine inspection are redefining the precision manufacturing standard.
In Weekend, we are dedicated to using multiple inspection methods to ensuring the precision of your part. If you have any similar part or high tolerance, please feel free to reach out.